Those are the details we are picking up. But let's cut straight across to Prime Minister Modi's rally that is set to take place in Bihar today. In fact, he's set to kick off his election campaign in Bihar with two major rallies. The first one in Samastipur and another in Begusarai. In fact, before addressing the public, Prime Minister Modi will be paying tribute to Karpuri Thakur. So those are the pictures of Prime Minister Modi with Nitish Kumar at Karpuri village. In fact, he will be paying tribute to Bharat Ratna Karpuri Thakur, whose policies on social justice and reservations had shaped Bihar's politics even today. And those are the visuals of Prime Minister Modi. They're paying tribute to Karpuri Thakur, garlanding the statue of Karpuri Thakur, whose policies, as I said, continue to shape Bihar's politics, and a lot being said about Prime Minister Modi's choice of this place where he's starting the election campaign, and rallies, especially the one at Samastipur, being seen as a key moment in the campaign, and of course NDA looking to build momentum just ahead of Bihar poll. So all eyes on Prime Minister Modi's rally today in Samastipur. He's reached Samastipur and is paying tribute to late Karpuri Thakur, who served as the Bihar Chief Minister in the 1970s and was awarded Bharat Ratna for his work of uplifting the downtrodden. He's speaking to the family members. Of course, he's also accompanied by the Chief Minister there, Nitish Kumar. This is, of course, Modi's first visit to Thakur's home district of Samastipur after he was honored with our country's highest civilian honor. So those are the visuals there. Prime Minister Modi flanked by Karpuri Thakur's family members and, of course, leaders within the NDA. He is paying tribute to late Karpuri Thakur. The visit is also comes as a striking irony because Modi will be campaigning against Karpuri Thakur's granddaughter there, who's been fielded by Prashant Kishore's Jan Suraj party. So those are the details we are picking up. Momentum, of course, as far as Bihar polls are concerned. Prime Minister Modi all set to kickstart his campaign from Samastipur in just a bit. Let's go straight across to Raman Rai. Raman, of course, very, very significant there. Prime Minister Modi choosing Karpuri Thakur's home district for this rally launch. Take us through the significance of this symbolically as well as politically.
Yeah, it is a very important visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Politically and symbolically, both aspects. Prime Minister Narendra Modi just went from the Karpuri Gram, and I am right now standing at the Karpuri village. This is the Karpuri Gram where Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived just short earlier, and he went from there to address the public rally. It's public rally in Samastipur. Samastipur is one of the stronghold of NDA. That's why Prime Minister Narendra Modi also arrived here and pay homage to Karpuri Thakur and pay all the respect to the Karpuri Thakur. Karpuri Thakur was the earlier ex-Chief Minister of Bihar, and Government of India also conferred him for Bharat Ratna, and these are all the symbolic gestures from the Prime Minister Modi to Karpuri Thakur. Karpuri Thakur belongs to the backward community, the Thakur community. So there is a message from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to turn out all the backwards for the BJP and in favor of the NDA, and that's why Prime Minister Narendra Modi is here in Samastipur, and he will going to address a public rally. Also, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is also along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Samastipur.
Right. Raman, also if you can take us through what are the key messages that could be delivered by the Prime Minister at this particular rally. Are there any local issues that are likely to be highlighted by Prime Minister Modi? Because this is going to be significant because he's kick-starting the rally at Samastipur. So all eyes on this, but take us through what is the kind of messaging that could be given by Prime Minister Modi today at Karpuri village.
Exactly, the message will very clear from Prime Minister side that Karpuri Thakur is one of the biggest leader of Bihar and considered as the Jan Nayak. So therefore Prime Minister will also say about Karpuri Thakur in their public rally which will going to happen shortly right now, and Prime Minister will also connect to the people and connect to the EBC vote bank community in Bihar, in Samastipur region. And there is a clear message that BJP and NDA and especially Prime Minister Modi respects the backward community people and respects the ex-Chief Minister Karpuri Thakur. He also, Government of India already gave Bharat Ratna to Karpuri Thakur. So these are all the message from the Government of India and from Prime Minister's side, so that the people of Bihar, the backward community will connect directly to the Prime Minister and directly to the NDA, so that it will take a big advantage for in BJP also for in the upcoming assembly election. So right now we are also at the ground in Samastipur Karpuri Gram. A huge crowd also turn out to hear Prime Minister Narendra Modi that what he will gonna say to the people of Samastipur and what Prime Minister will say something big about the upcoming assembly election. So we have also expecting something big that Prime Minister will address the people while shortly. So these all are the things on the ground, and we are seeing that in Samastipur region NDA is taking edge on the Mahagathbandhan.
Right, Raman Rai, if you could also take us through the politics that is playing out as far as this visit by Prime Minister Modi to Samastipur is concerned. We have several leaders within the Congress party really slamming Prime Minister Modi for visiting, this particular village, saying that Karpuri Thakur ji was subjected to the vilest of abuse by RSS and Jan Sangh leaders back then. So those are the kind of reactions coming in from the side of the Congress party, really slamming Prime Minister Modi's visit. So take us through all the political reactions, especially how the opposition is positioning itself at this point.
Yeah, especially the Congress party is questioning the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and many of the Congress leaders slams Narendra Modi on his visit at Karpuri Gram in Samastipur, and also that Government of India gave Bharat Ratna to Karpuri Thakur. The Congress leader already slamming on the issue of that earlier Karpuri Thakur and the backward community were abused by the RSS. So Congress party is making at that point a big issue that earlier RSS slammed Karpuri Thakur, and now Prime Minister Modi and BJP is praising Karpuri Thakur just ahead of the assembly election for their bigger advantage, for their benefit in the upcoming election. So these are the questions which are raising by the Congress party over the Prime Minister visit here in Samastipur on ground.
Right, Raman, if you could also take us through the kind of reactions coming in from the citizens of Samastipur, especially from that particular village, Karpuri Gram, where you're reporting from. What is the kind of mood of the voters there?
We'll try to connect with some people here in Samastipur. क्या लग रहा है यहाँ पर प्रधानमंत्री आए हैं, कैसा लग रहा है, क्या माहौल है यहाँ पर?
बहुत अच्छा माहौल है और यहाँ का धरती पावन हो गया। कर्पूरी ग्राम में पहली बार कोई प्रधानमंत्री आए हैं। समस्तीपुर में तो आए हुए थे, लेकिन कर्पूरी ग्राम में पहली बार आए हैं।
तो इसका फायदा मिलेगा एनडीए को? लगता है यहाँ पे एनडीए और बीजेपी जीत पाई?
जी जी जी, बहुत अच्छा है उनका, और सबसे बड़ा है काम बोलता है। काम मोदी जी का बहुत अच्छा है, ये बच्चे जानते हैं। और जो 18 वर्ष से जी 18 वर्ष से ऊपर के
युवा है, फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर लग रहे हैं, क्या माहौल है यहाँ पर?
जी, यहाँ का माहौल तो बहुत अच्छा है। मतलब आफ्टर फ्रीडम प्राइम मिनिस्टर फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे कर्पूरी ग्राम में पधारे, तो हम लोग गर्व से प्रफुल्लित हो चुके हैं। और इस बार भी हम लोग का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मतलब वोट जो है एनडी को ही जाएगा, और हम लोग सोचेंगे कि और आगे जो है मोदी जी और हम युवा के लिए और जो आने वाले नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है उनके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं। और मैं तो यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मोदी जी जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर तो एक ग्रेट है, जो मतलब ऐसे छोटे से गांव में, मतलब छोटा नहीं, अब तो ये बहुत बड़ा गांव हो गया, क्योंकि जननायक कर्पूरी ठाकुर अब लोग जान गए, पूरा वर्ल्ड में ही फेमस हो गया, एक तरह समझ जाइए पूरा जान गए। तो अब मैं इतना खुश हूँ और मोदी जी को देखा।
So you will see two two generation in single frame. One is I think he is a Gen Z kind of a person, Gen Z kind of a, and he is a father and son. They both are father and son, two generation, and they both praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi for visiting Karpuri Gram, and they all acknowledge the Prime Minister's good faith about the Karpuri Gram. Some of more people are here. क्या लग रहा है यहाँ पर प्रधानमंत्री आज आए हैं, इसका कुछ असर होगा चुनाव में?
असर तो कुछ बुझाई नहीं दे रहा है। यहाँ पर तो हम लोग को पैक कर दिया गया,
पैक कर दिया गया है।
तब
किसने
हम
पैक
लोग
किया?
देखने के लिए यहाँ पर प्रशासन सब हम लोग को देखने नहीं दिए, हम लोग घर के अंदर ढुके ही रह गए।
Also, so lots of people are also angry on the police professionals, that police personnel locked them inside the house, because Prime Minister visit is a very high profile visit and the security measures are very concerned. So that's why some people are already locked inside their house for the security purpose. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, Raman, thank you for bringing those important voices there. So Bihar political landscape certainly heating up. Prime Minister Modi in Samastipur, and he will be holding that high octane rally at Karpuri Gram. He is visiting Karpuri Gram at this point and paying tributes to the former chief minister as well. If I may come back to you, Raman, you know, within the NDA, how visible is this balance between JDU and the BJP? We know that the seat sharing talks are still going on in the sense that the chief ministerial phase is something that the NDA is yet to come up with. So take us through the kind of friction that you're seeing, or is there any sort of visible friction between the JDU and the BJP at this point? And is NDA really relying more on Prime Minister's popularity than on Nitish Kumar's governance?
No, there is everything well in NDA right now as per on the numbers of seat sharing had been done correctly in the NDA. 101 for BJP and 101 for JDU. So there are equal number of seats where they both gonna contest the Bihar Assembly election. But if it talks about the popularity amongst the people, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a more popularity ahead on Nitish Kumar, because Prime Minister is a big figure in front of Chief Minister. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a big figure in front of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, but there is a big issue of good governance in Bihar, that Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's 20 years back good governance is already a key issue and a key factor for NDA. So in going to the
Raman,
polls,
I'll come back to you in just a bit. We'll also listen to what Prime Minister Modi really spoke about former Chief Minister of Bihar, Karpuri Thakur. Let's take a look.
कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी को जननायक ये सोशल मीडिया की ट्रोल करने वाली टीम ने नहीं बनाया। कर्पूरी ठाकुर को जननायक बिहार के जन जन ने बनाया और उनके जीवन को देख करके बनाया था। और मैं तो बिहार के लोगों को कहूंगा कि जरा चौकन्ने रहिए। ये जननायक पद कर्पूरी ठाकुर से ही शोभायमान है। आजकल लोग ये जननायक की भी चोरी करने में लगे हैं और इसलिए बिहार के लोगों से मैं जागरूक रहने का आग्रह करूंगा कि हमारे कर्पूरी ठाकुर साहब का ये जनता द्वारा दिया गया सम्मान कोई चोरी न कर जाए।
Let's go back to Raman. Raman, with a lot of criticism coming in the way of Nitish Kumar, as I was asking you before, is NDA relying more on Prime Minister Modi's popularity than on Nitish Kumar's governance record?
Yes, basically Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a big face in Bihar as compared to Nitish Kumar 20 years of governance, because Prime Minister is a very dominant figure in Bihar also. But as we talk about the politics in Bihar, so Nitish Kumar is also a big figure. So therefore Nitish and Modi combined together is a deadly combination against the India alliance in Bihar. So there will be an advantage for the NDA as compared to the Mahagathbandhan. So this will going to be very interesting, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar both together campaigning for the NDA. So let's see what will be the figure of the elections, that which party will going to be a bigger one. Either it is the JDU or either it is the BJP, because in the last election in 2020, JDU only won 43 seats. Almost halfer than BJP, but this time they are contesting on equal numbers of seats. So we have also a curiosity in our mind that who will going to be a bigger party as in compare of numbers of seats in the upcoming election. So we'll just have to wait for the election results. So as far as now.
All right. Thank you, Raman, for getting us all of those details. So important developments coming in from Bihar. In fact, Prime Minister Modi there igniting a Bihar poll storm. He is now visiting Karpuri Gram. Those are the visuals coming in of Prime Minister Modi there paying tributes to the former Chief Minister of Bihar, Karpuri Thakur. It is, of course, the NDA versus the MGB high stakes battle in the state of Bihar, as Prime Minister Modi is all set to launch his campaign today from Samastipur. Very, very important there. Let me go back to Raman. Raman, you know, as we've been pointing out, there is an irony there, isn't it, that Modi will be campaigning against Karpuri Thakur's granddaughter, who's been fielded by Prashant Kishore's party. So that is an interesting element as far as his campaign is concerned. The fact that he will be campaigning against Karpuri Thakur's granddaughter herself while paying tributes to Karpuri Thakur.
Yeah, Karpuri Thakur granddaughter fielded by Jan Swaraj in Samastipur, but I don't think that she'll gonna damage NDA on the field, because NDA has a large vote bank in Samastipur region as compared to the India Alliance. So there would be an interesting fight, but at the end, if you will gonna see the result that NDA is taking ahead of the Mahagathbandhan as well as the Jan Swaraj party, because right now we are standing in Karpuri village and most of the people and most of the core voters are here basically connected with the BJP or connected with the NDA. So there will gonna be a huge curiosity amongst the people also that will Prashant Kishore doing something dent for the BJP or the NDA? So I don't think so that on this place Prashant Kishore will gonna work against of the NDA or over the NDA candidate. Well, in spite of that, Karpuri Thakur granddaughter Jagriti Thakur contesting election from the Jan Swaraj party here in Samastipur, but I don't think so that she'll gonna be a big challenge for NDA in this particular area.
All right, Raman, thank you for those details. We'll also go to Prabhakar. Prabhakar, if I may come to you, this is a crucial rally day, as far as the NDA is concerned. Prime Minister Modi, they're kicking off his campaign at Samastipur. What is the significance of choosing Karpuri Thakur's home district for this rally launch? He just paid tribute to the former Chief Minister as well. Take us through the importance politically as well as symbolically as far as Bihar polls are concerned within the NDA. How is this move being viewed?
See, it's a super Friday for Bihar. So you not only have Prime Minister here, but also have Home Minister. You have JP Nadda. You have the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister. There's a hell lot of VIPs actually visiting, and you have Tejasvi Yadav in the field holding 5 rallies. You have Chirag Paswan. So all the senior leaders of both the camps are actually in the field. Now coming to the Prime Minister's maiden rally today, which starts from the Karpuri Gram, that is in Samastipur district, and Karpuri Thakur's native village. Remember, Karpuri Thakur in Bihar's context is seen as a mascot of extremely backward, that is the EBC voters. And EBC voter constitutes a very large chunk of voters. Traditionally, they have been voting for NDA. They are seen as NDA loyalist voters. Now, Tejasvi Yadav and the India Alliance camp, they are trying to dent into that vote by fielding or by naming Mukesh Sahni as a deputy chief minister candidate. Mukesh Saini hails from a EBC community, so they are trying to dent into that vote. And if they have to actually reach that magic number of forming a government out here, they have to add on to their Muslim and Yadav vote. So they have to add on to that number. So EBC is the easiest and the easiest catch for them. So they are eyeing that vote. In order to counter that initiative or move by India Alliance, Prime Minister today is kickstarting his campaign in Bihar from Samastipur, from the native village of Karpuri Thakur, which is called Karpuri Gram now. And he is, by doing so, trying to give out a message to the EBC community that in India, the NDA is solidly with them and they are very much a part of the NDA alliance. And remember, Karpuri Thakur was given Bharat Ratna just a year back by the same government. So those stuff would also be repeated and recalled by Prime Minister when he actually delivers his speech there.
All right, thank you so much for all of those extensive details. Prabhakar, of course, we'll keep tracking these developing stories with you. Prime Minister Modi in Karpuri Gram to set off his rally today as far as Bihar polls are concerned, and parallelly Tejasvi Yadav's rally also happening. So multiple rallies and campaigns being planned by both NDA and Mahagathbandhan as Bihar Assembly elections are just heating up in the state. With that, we'll slip in a short break. More updates coming up on the other side.